Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain central difference interpolation formulae. First formula is goes forward interpolation formula and goes backward interpolation formula. Second one is Stirling interpolation formula. Third is Bessel's interpolation formula, and fourth is Everett's interpolation formula. So goes forward interpolation formula applicable when the u, that is u is equal to x minus x naught upon h, that is when u laying between 0 and 1, then we apply goes forward interpolation formula, and when u laying between -1 to 0, then we apply goes backward interpolation formula. And if the value of the u is greater than or equal to 1 upon 4 with negative is less than or equal to 1 upon 4, then we apply the Stirling interpolation formula. In the Bessel's interpolation formula is applicable when u laying, that is u greater than or equal to 1 upon 4 and less than or equal to 3 upon 4. And Everett's interpolation formula is applicable when u laying between 0 and 1. So we have a tabulated data is of the form: the x arguments are denoted by x naught plus h, x naught plus 2h, 2x naught plus nh, and y values corresponding to x arguments denoted by f of x naught plus h, f of x naught plus 2h, 2f of x naught plus nh. So here first we will discuss goes forward interpolation formula. That is, when we apply the goes forward interpolation formula, so first of all, with the help of the given tabulated data, first of all compute the value of the u, and u is equal to x minus x naught upon h. Then the goes forward interpolation formula, y of u is equal to y0 plus del u times of del y0 plus u minus 1 upon 2 factorial del 2y minus 1 plus u plus 1 u minus 1 upon 3 factorial del cube of y minus 1 plus u plus 1 u minus 1 u minus 2 upon 4 factorial del 4 of y minus 2 plus u plus 2 u plus 1 u minus 1 u minus 2 upon 5 factorial del 5 y minus 2 plus and so on. So using this formula and taking the value of the u and the table value, that is difference table values, y0 del y0 del 2 y minus 1 del q y minus 1 del 4 y minus 2 2 del 5 y minus 2 and so on. That is, simplify this with the help of the calculator, then we obtain the required value of the function fx or function y at the given value of x within the table. So next is goes backward interpolation formula, and when we apply the goes backward interpolation formula, so compute the value of the u is equal to x minus x naught upon h, and when u laying between -1 to 0, then goes backward interpolation formula is applicable, and formula is y of u is equal to y0 plus u del y minus 1 plus u plus 1 u upon 2 factorial del 2y minus 1 plus u plus 1 u minus 1 upon 3 factorial del cube of y minus 2 plus u plus 2 u plus 1 u minus 1 upon 4 factorial del 4y minus 2 plus u plus 2 u plus 1 u minus 1 u minus 2 upon 5 factorial del 5 of y minus 3 plus and so on. So the goes forward and goes backward interpolation formula explained with the help of question. Now question is, using goes forward interpolation formula to compute the value of the y at x is equal to 9 for the data given below. Now x arguments are 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. Now the y values corresponding to x arguments 14, 24, 32, 35, 40. So here explanation of this problem is, we want to compute the value of the y at x is equal to 9, that is given x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 9 laying between the two values of the given data 8 and 12. 9 laying between 8 and 12. So in that case we consider x naught is equal to 8. Then compute the value of the u is equal to x minus x naught upon h, and this will be 9 minus 8 upon h is equal to 4, that is h is the difference between the x arguments, that is 4 minus 0 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, 12 minus 8 is 4, 16 minus 12 is 4, that is h is equal to 4. So this is 1 upon 4, that is 0.25, and this value 0.25 laying between 0 and 1. So Gauss forward interpolation formula is applicable. Now when we apply the Gauss forward interpolation formula, so first of all we construct the difference table. So the difference table is, so x arguments 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, y values corresponding to x arguments 14, 24, 32, 35, 40, and initially we consider the x0 is equal to 8, means x0 is equal to 8, x0 is equal to 8, so u is equal to 0. Then the upper values are denoted by minus 1, minus 2, and lower values denoted by 1 and 2. Now they compute the first order forward difference. Then 24 minus 14 is 10, 32 minus 24 is 8, 35 minus 32 is 3, 40 minus 35 is 5, 8 minus 10 is minus 2, 3 minus 8 is minus 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. Similarly in the third order forward difference, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10. So this value is denoted by y0, this is y0, this is y del y0, and this value is del y minus 1, this value is del this value is del 2y minus 1. In the third that is del cube of y column, 7 is the del cube of y minus 1, and 10 is the del 4 of y minus 2. So this is y0, this is del y0, this value is del 2y minus 1, this value is del cube y minus 1, and this value is del 4 of y minus 2. So using the Gauss forward interpolation formula, now formula is y of u is equal to y0 plus u del y0 plus u minus 1 upon 2 factorial del 2 of y minus 1 plus u plus 1 u minus 1 upon 3 factorial del cube of y minus 1 plus u plus 1 u minus 1 u minus 2 upon 4 factorial del 4 of y minus 2, because in the difference table maximum fourth order forward difference present. Now so we apply the Gauss forward interpolation formula up to the fourth order forward difference, that is del 4 of y minus 2. Now taking the values of u is equal to 0.25, and the table values y0 del y0 del 2 y minus 1 del cube y minus 1 del 4 y minus 2 in this formula, that is in equation 1. Then we obtain y of 9 is equal to y0 is 32 plus u is 0.25 del y0 is 3, 0.25 minus 1 is minus 0.75 upon 2 factorial is 2, del 2 of y minus 1 del 2 of y minus 1 is minus 5 plus u plus 1, that is 0.25 plus 1 means 1.25 into 0.25 0.25 into minus 0.75 upon 3 factorial is 6 into del cube of y minus 1. Del cube of y minus 1 is 7 plus u plus 1 means 1.25 multiply by 0.25 multiply by minus 0.75 multiply by minus 1.75 upon 4 factorial is 24 multiply by 10, and simplify this with the help of the calculator. Then we obtain the y value corresponding to x is equal to 9 is equal to 33.14. So this is the y value at x is equal to 9. Now here another question based on the Gauss forward interpolation formula. So using Gauss forward interpolation formula, find y at x is equal to 32 for the data given below. For the data given below. Now x arguments are denoted by 25, 30, 35, 40, and y values 0.2707, 0.3027, 0.3386, 0.3794. So using this data, compute the value of the y at x is equal to 32 with the help of the Gauss forward interpolation formula. So first of all, that is when we compute the value of the y x is equal to 32, so 32 laying between 30 and 35, so in that case x is equal to 32 and x naught is equal to 30. So the value of the u is equal to x minus x naught upon h, and here interval difference h is equal to 5. So x is 32 minus 30 upon 5, so this is 0.4. So 0.4 laying 0 and 1, laying 0 and 1, so 0.4 laying inside the 0 and 1. So Gauss forward interpolation formula is applicable, and construct the difference table, and with the help of the difference table, and using the value of the u and substitute in the formula of the Gauss forward interpolation formula, then compute the value of the u at x is equal to 32, and this value is equal to 0.3165. So in this way complete this problem by using the Gauss forward interpolation formula. Now second one is the Gauss backward interpolation formula. So here I am taking a question based on the Gauss backward interpolation formula. So using Gauss backward interpolation formula to compute the population of a city in the year of 1936 for the data given below. Now year 1901, 1911, 1921, 1931, 1941, 1951, and population in thousands. In the year of 1901 is 12, 1911 is 15,000, 1921 is 20,000, 1931 is 27,000, 1941 is 39,000, and 1951 is 52,000. So here x is equal to 1941 and 1936 laying between 1931 and 1941. 1931 and 1941. So in that case, because we apply the Gauss backward interpolation formula, so here I am taking x naught is equal to 1941. Then compute the value of the u is equal to x minus x naught upon h, and here interval difference h is equal to 10. So x is 1936 and x naught is 1941 and h is equal to 10. So this is equal to minus 0.5, and minus 0.5 laying between minus 1 and 0. So in that case Gauss backward interpolation formula is applicable. Now when we apply the Gauss backward interpolation formula, so we construct the difference table. Now difference table is, so we consider x naught is 1941, so u corresponding to x naught is 0 and upper values are negative and lower value is positive. Now y value is 12, 15, 20, 27, 39, 52, and the first order forward difference 15 minus 12 is 3, 20 minus 15 is 5, 27 minus 20 is 7, 39 minus 27 is 12, 52 minus 39 is 13. Now the second order forward difference 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 12 minus 7 is 5, 13 minus 12 is 1. Third order forward difference 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Now the fourth order forward difference 3 minus 0 is 3, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, and fifth order forward difference minus 7 minus 3 is equal to minus 10. So here y naught is 39, y naught is 39, del y naught is del y minus 1 is 12, del y minus 1 is 12, del 2 of y minus 1 is 1, del 2 of y minus 1 is 1, and del cube of y minus 2 is minus 4, and minus 4, del 4 of y minus, because del 4 of y minus 2, so this value is minus 4 minus 3, so del 4 of y minus 2 not present in this table. Similarly, del 5 of y minus 3 not present in this table. So when we apply the Gauss backward interpolation formula, so formula is, so from the table, and the value of the u is equal to minus 0.5, substitute in this equation 1, and in the table del 4 of y minus 2, del 4 of y minus 2, and del 5 of y minus 3 not present. That is, in this table the del 4 of y minus 2, because this is del 4 of y minus 4, this is del 4 of y minus 3, and this value is del 5 of y minus 4, because this is the forward difference table. So in that case del 4 of y minus 2, del 5 of y minus 3 taking at the 0 level, so y of u is equal to y0 is 39 plus minus 0.5 multiply by 12 plus 0.5 into minus 0.5 upon 2 factorial is 2 into 1 plus 0.5 multiply by minus 0.5 multiply by minus 1.5 divided by 3 factorial is 6 multiply by minus 4, and simplify this with the help of the calculator, then we obtain 32 minus 6 to 1000, that is population of a city is 32,000 32.62 thousand at u is equal to minus 0.5. So y of minus 0.5 is equal to 32.62 thousand, or we can say that the population at the year of 1936 is 32.62 thousand. Now try the another question based on the Gauss backward difference interpolation formula. So using the Gauss backward formula to obtain the value of the y32, y of y at x is equal to 24, given that y of 20 is 49225, y of 25 is 48316, y of 30 is 47236, y of 35 is 45926, and y of 40 is 44306. So here when we apply the Gauss backward interpolation formula, so given x is equal to 28, that is our aim to compute the value of the u at x is equal to 28, and 28 laying between 25 and 30. So here we consider x naught is equal to 30, then compute the value of the u is equal to x minus x naught upon h, and here interval difference h is equal to 5, so x is 28 minus 30 upon 5, that is minus 2 upon 5, and this value is equal to minus 0.4, and minus 0.4 laying inside the minus 1 and 0, it means Gauss backward interpolation formula is applicable. After that, construct the difference table. So here we construct the difference table. So this value is x naught, so this is 0. Upper values are negative and lower values are positive. So y values are given according to given problem. So first compute the first order forward difference. This minus this is minus 909, this minus this is minus 1080, this minus this is minus 1310, this minus this is minus 1620. Now the second order forward difference, this minus minus plus is minus 171, this minus minus plus is minus 230, minus 1620 minus minus plus 1310 is minus 310. Now the third order forward difference, minus 230 plus 171 is minus 59, minus 310 plus 230 is minus 80, and in the fourth order forward difference, 80 plus 59 is equal to minus 21. So here this value is y naught, this value is del y minus 1, this value is del to y minus 1, this value is del cube y minus 2, and this value is del 4 of y minus 2. And using the Gauss backward interpolation formula and substitute the values of u is equal to minus 0.4 and the table values in this formula, and after simplification we obtain the value of the y at x is equal to 28, and y 28 is equal to 47686. So the value of the y at x is equal to 28 is 47,686. So this is the procedure to how to apply the Gauss forward and Gauss backward interpolation formula. So thank you very much.